What's up everyone? Today we have such an exciting video we're filming. Big ass brownies. We have 8 pounds of brownies in this studio right now that smell way too good.
Oh, I don't know if you guys can see that properly.
We're gonna make a fun commercial. It's gonna be colorful, it's gonna be upbeat, it's gonna be fun. Let's do it.
For the first shot, we're stacking all the 4 different kind of brownies, and then it's gonna go to the beat. So there's 4 big beats before the song really starts, and it's perfect. We have 4 brownies. So we stacked them up, made it look a little cool, a little uneven, added a little paper towel to give this top brownie, which we think is the most fun looking brownie, like a little bit more up. Well, so you can see the whole top side a little bit better in the video. That's why we got this. Obviously you can't see it in the final product. Look at how beautiful this is. That's a big ass brownie. It looks so good.
Okay, so the second shot we're gonna do is gonna be the caramel brownie. So I'm thinking drizzle, kind of you see the camera, the drizzle falls, and then a really close up of the caramel drizzling down the side of the brownie. So it's gonna be 2 shots.
Let's do it. We did a caramel drizzle top down, and then we did a second one of it actually dripping from the side. Doesn't this look so amazing? So yummy. Look at all this caramel. It's like a sea of caramel over here. It's really hard not to eat this. We have the lantern as always for the backdrop and the top down. I guess it's not really backdrop for this shot. Key light as always, and we have a nice little fill in just to help with a little bit of the light in the back area.
Okay, this one, we made a little bit of a mess. It was pretty fun. We did sprinkles crashing down and then the white chocolate chips crashing down. We did 2 different angles. And we have this beautiful, colorful mess here.
It is such a mess.
Okay, lighting, we got 1 big light. This lantern's lighting up the background and the top light. And then this tube light here is lighting up both of these sides. That was the only kind of dark spot missing. Worked out perfectly. Alright, for this shot, we have no brownie in it. It's just the crazy ingredients for the Cookie Monster brownies. So we got M&M's, Hershey's, Oreos, and then I took some M&M's, did a little drop, and then we had the Pro Blend slide right over. It looks larger than life. That's beautiful. We have the same light setup that we've had pretty much for the whole thing.
It's the final shot. It's a pullback, nice, simple, of all the brownies together, and we kind of made it look like a stadium bleacher. Like it kind of like goes up and round, like I imagine a sports field in there. From the back, a lot of paper towels, not very good looking. From the front, it looks great. It looks absolutely perfect with them like up and over because of the paper towels.